Good morning, everybody. So it looks like some new footage, doorbell cams and dash cams and body cams. New footage has been released recently. I don't know if it was today or yesterday or whatnot. It's now being viewed online. What is not in the clip that Jessica Danielle took of the footage is that they've actually released pictures of his wounds as well. I have not gone to look at that. I don't know that I can really stomach that, but let's watch what they have here, you guys. So this is the first house he tries. It's like, obviously it's daylight. I think this happened in the morning that he was able to escape. I don't know if they were just out of the house, like running an errand or something, but somehow he was able to get out undetected. And here you can see him coming up. I don't think there's a point in this footage where you actually see his face, which is fine. You know, he deserves that anonymity. But he's trying. He's trying. This is house number 1. And they didn't answer. How scary. Could you even imagine? Not only have you been brainwashed and tortured and tied down, but now you're trying to take your freedom back, and you're terrified of the outside world, and you don't know what's going to happen. You don't know if everybody's like that. Is this how it is everywhere? Is this just how children get treated, right? This is why Jody and Ruby should get max sentences, because this is just heartbreaking. I mean, not only the torture that he went through, but then the quest of trying to be saved. Look at the poor kid. Oh my God, he looks tiny. This is a 12-year-old, you guys. And he looks tiny. It's amazing. I can't believe she would do this to her own kid, you know? Okay, so house number 1 did not answer. This is house number 2.
Answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Okay, so they turned him away initially, but this is the house that ultimately opens the door for him.
Yes.
Hi, I was just wondering if you could do 2 favors.
Well, what are they?
Taking me to the nearest police station. Well, actually, just one's fine.
Well, what's going on, son? Have a seat there.
It's personal business.
Poor kid.
Have a seat. What's your name? How'd you get here? He has duct tape around his
Injuries. There's sores around them.
Yeah, there's sores around him. I think the good chance he's been...
He also has
and he has it around his
wrist
ankle.
as well.
And his wrist as well. Okay, this boy has been...
Needs immediate attention. Oh, he was such a good kid.
This kid is well, they're sleeping. I said you should have. He's hungry and he sat up in his stocking feet. So he escaped.
Yeah.
We need the police here now.
They're on their way.
You know, having
I love how the man who is attending to him right now, who opened the door and is ultimately the one who saved him. He almost lost his cool when he saw the duct tape on his ankles as well. His voice quivered. It sounded like he was going to cry, but he tries so hard to hold it together and keep it calm for the Frankie boy, because that's what you do with kids when they hurt themselves. You're like, it's gonna be fine, we're gonna clean this up, we're gonna stitch it up, it's gonna be better, right? And you have to be the calm, cool, and collected adult in the situation. And this was so hard for him, but he pulled it together.
yeah, when she's in that.
I hear cars down coming in the driveway. They're just not getting out of the truck. Okay. Okay. These folks are going to examine.
I wonder how quickly they were able to get the information about where he was being kept, and that his sister was there too, and get a warrant for the arrest, as well as a search warrant for the house, because they would have had it. It was imminent danger, so you would think that would be like something that they could do immediately, maybe even without a warrant, if there's an imminent danger situation. But every second counts with these crazies, So here's some dash cam footage. I don't know what we're looking at in this. I'm not sure what this shows. Okay, so he just turned on his body cam.
I'll take more. Or do you want me to? You send them to you?
How did you get the ropes on you? Who did them? You're not in trouble with me, okay? We're just trying to figure out what's going on.
Look at how tiny his legs are. He's so emaciated, he looks anorexic.
Main focus right now is you, okay? Who put the ropes on you? Supposed to help you what?
Wow. These kids were so brainwashed, you guys.
sergeant told me to just get a few pictures. Are you okay with that?
Wow. Okay, so, no, we're not gonna restart it, but, that's the update on the footage, and there's apparently pictures out too.